friends, it's Jamie Beeler, Independent Director with 31 Gifts, and today I have our small hard case luggage to show you. So the small hard case luggage is a 20-inch carry-on size luggage. It does come with a built-in TSA lock, and you're going to notice there's a top handle, a side handle, as well as a telescoping handle back here in the back. It is made of recycled plastic materials, and it can be personalized. So if you want to put a fun phrase or your last name on there, you can. On the side, you'll notice that there is a C port and a USB port for easy charging, and it does have 4 360-degree spinning wheels on the bottom. Now, when I open this up, it exits like this, and you're going to find right inside this lid 3 pockets. So you have a mesh one here, you have an open one, and then you have a padded one where you can put a laptop, and then you unzip around like this. Open that up, and there is your space to pack everything that you need. Now you are going to see that right here there is a compartment for you to hold your portable charger as well as cables to connect it, and then you have your straps and buckle here to secure everything in place. So as a customer with 31, you can purchase this for full price, or you can spend $50 and get it for 50% off. Or as a 31 insider with a minimum party, you can get this bundle with a luggage tag for $115 or free. So I would love to hear, where would you travel to with the small hard case luggage? Make sure you comment below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.